Ever feel like your phone suddenly gets slow, sluggish, or starts dying randomly the exact moment a new model drops? You're scrolling through Instagram, and suddenly your battery is draining like water, and apps are crashing. You tell yourself, well, I guess this phone is just old. It's time for an upgrade. I'm here to tell you, it is not just in your head. It is not a coincidence. It is a multi-billion-dollar strategy called planned obsolescence, and it is designed to trap you in an endless cycle of payments. Today, we are going to expose the upgrade trap, look at the lawsuits that proved companies are doing this on purpose, and I am going to show you how to save nearly $1,000 by simply changing your mindset and your battery. Hi everyone, I'm Hira. As a housewife and someone who manages the family budget, I know the pressure of keeping up with technology. We are constantly bombarded with ads telling us our current life isn't good enough unless we have the latest gadget. But whether you are a total beginner or an advanced iPhone user, you need to know that the game is rigged. We're going to talk about the upgrade trap. This is the psychological and financial loop that phone manufacturers and carriers put us in. They want you to believe your 2-year-old phone is ancient history. But the reality is, your current phone is likely more powerful than the computer that sent astronauts to the moon. So why does it feel like trash? Let's dig into the dirty secret called planned obsolescence. Some people think planned obsolescence is just a conspiracy theory. They think, oh, companies wouldn't actually break their own products, would they? Well, we have legal proof that they do. Let's look at the infamous Batterygate scandal. A few years ago, users started noticing their iPhones were slowing down significantly after software updates. Apple eventually admitted that they were intentionally throttling or slowing down the processor speeds of older iPhones. Now, Apple claimed they did this to prevent the phones from shutting down because the older batteries could unhandle peak power demands. Okay, that sounds noble, right? But here is the catch. They didn't tell anyone. They didn't give users a choice. They just made the phones slower, which made millions of people think, my phone is broken. I need to buy the new one. This lack of transparency cost them. France's consumer fraud watchdog actually fined Apple €25 million for this practice. The French investigation proved that consumers were misled. By slowing down the device, Apple created a situation where buying a new phone seemed like the only solution, even though the phone itself was perfectly fine. It just needed a new battery. This is the textbook definition of planned obsolescence, shortening the usable life of a product to force you to buy the next one. But it's not just about slowing down the hardware, it's about slowing down your brain's satisfaction with what you already have. This is the psychological side of the trap. Every September, we get a big keynote presentation. They use words like revolutionary, magical, and fastest ever. They introduce a new camera lens or a slightly different shade of blue. They engineer feature gatekeeping, where they restrict new software features to the newest phones, even if the older phones could technically run them. For example, do you really need a 48-megapixel camera to take pictures of your grocery list or your cat? Probably not. Your iPhone 11, 12, or 13 takes incredible photos. But the marketing is designed to trigger FOMO, fear of missing out. They want you to feel that your device is obsolete because it doesn't have the new action button or the latest titanium finish. It is a status symbol game. But as a housewife managing finances, I look at utility. Does the phone make calls? Does it browse the web? Does it take clear photos of my kids? If the answer is yes, the need to upgrade is just a feeling manufactured by a marketing team, not a reality. Now, let's talk numbers, because this is where they really get you. The free upgrade myth. You walk into your carrier store and they say, "Hey, trade in your old phone and get the new iPhone 15 for free." Is it free? Absolutely not. You are signing a 24 or 36-month contract. You are locking yourself into an expensive data plan. You are essentially taking out a loan for a device that depreciates in value the second you open the box. It is a financial illusion designed to keep you in debt and keep you loyal to that carrier. Let's compare the costs. A brand new flagship phone costs anywhere from $800 to $1,200. That is a mortgage payment. That is months of groceries. Now, remember the battery gate issue. The phone was slow because the battery was old. Do you know how much it costs to replace a battery? Roughly $50 to $80 at a reputable repair shop, or even less if you're brave enough to do it yourself. Think about that math. You can spend $1,000 for a new device, or $50 to make your current device run like new again. By replacing the battery, you restore the peak performance. The lagging stops. The shutdowns stop. You effectively get a new phone for 5% of the price of a real new one. That is the secret they don't want you to know. The good news is that the tide is turning. Governments are finally stepping in to protect us. The European Union has been leading the charge with right to repair laws. These laws force companies to make phones that are easier to fix and to provide spare parts to consumers like us. Because of this pressure, we are seeing shifts. Google and Fairphone are now offering up to 7 years of software updates. Even Apple has launched a self-service repair program, though it's still a bit complicated. This means the era of throw it away after 2 years is ending. If you keep your phone for 4 or 5 years instead of 2, you are saving thousands of dollars over a decade. You are also helping the planet by reducing e-waste, which is a massive global problem. So, here is my challenge to you. Next time your phone feels slow, don't run to the store. Check your battery health in the settings. If it's below 80%, go spend $50 to replace the battery. Reset your phone to factory settings to clear out the junk. Put a new case on it. I promise you, it will feel brand new, and your bank account will thank you. If you found this tip helpful and want to learn more ways to beat the system and save money on tech, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't fall for the upgrade trap, fix it. Don't ditch it. I'll see you in the next video.